Hey guys, my name is Saumya Sharma, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can use the package next-cli-toolkit, which will help you to increase your productivity in building your Next.js application. So what is this next-cli that I am talking about? If you go to the browser and come over this website over here, which is npmjs.com/packages/next-cli-toolkit, you can see this package over here. You can also search the name of this package, but I don't think it will get recommended because it's a very new package and it has been published as just 3 hours ago. And in fact, this package has been published by me. You can see over here. You can also check out my GitHub repository and also the home page of this package. So over here it says that a fast, simple and minimal CLI toolkit to generate Next.js routes which have .tsx, .jsx and .css file in command. Okay, this can generate these types of file in your app router. So first what we have to do is install this as a dev dependency. We will split our screen and come over here and let's open our terminal, a new terminal, and I will copy this command over here, which is to download it as dev dependency, paste it, and it will start downloading it. As you can see over here, the file has been downloaded and we can proceed to the next step, which is step number 2. We have to add this command in our script library, which is add package.json. In the scripts, we will add this at the end of the script, and this script will help us to make new routes. Over here in step 3, it has said that we can run npm run next-cli / the name of the route, and here it is given the example of home/id route. Let's copy this and let me make it a full screen so you can see it better. Open our terminal and let's clear everything. And over here you can see that we don't have any home routes. We just have our src inside which we have our app router, and we have page.tsx but no home route. We can also create the home route by just clicking over here and new page like this, but this is very naive and it takes a lot of time. What we can do is we can paste this command, which is npm run next-cli home/id, and this will generate our home route for. You can see clearly here also the home route is been created. Inside our src we have app router, inside which we have our home route, inside which we have our id route, and inside id we have this page.css and page.tsx. If you open the page.tsx, it has already a boiler template which will help us to increase our productivity. It's not only limited with only home route, we can also create several other routes, like if you want to create about route, but we don't want the css file in it, we can just say no css and it will create the about route without the css file. We can see over here it has created the about route and it don't have any css file. For more information, you can just type npm run next-cli and it will give you all the available commands which it has. You can see over here available commands: next-cli your router, next-cli your router / no css, which will not add css file, and also over here several routes are present. But you can clearly see that the command we are typing is npm run next-cli, but over here the command mentioned is just next-cli. And how can you do that? You can see over here in dev dependencies we have imported our package as a dev dependency. Okay, but if you want to add next-cli in your global level, you just have to download it globally. So let me show you how you can download it globally. But first we have to uninstall. Where that command went, we have to uninstall it from our dev dependency. Uninstall npm uninstall d next-cli toolkit. We have to uninstall it. Now if I type next-cli, it will throw me an error saying that it is not recognized as any command because we haven't imported it globally yet. To import it globally, we go to this website again. Here I have provided how you can install it globally. Just copy this command and paste it over right here, and it has installed the package globally. And now if we type next-cli, we can see this command is working. Let's try to create a route name home/about and it will create a file named home, inside which we have another file about. How cool is this? For more information about this package, you can just go to this website. I have provided the link over here, and it will take you to this npm website where this package is been hosted. And you can also check out my GitHub repository. I would truly appreciate if you fork it and give some of your advice in this code. Thanks a lot for watching this video.